come along with me to experience Melanin at Sea 2.0 aboard the MSC SEASCAPE.
You like it? I love it.
Once on board, I enjoyed the smooth sounds of this DJ. Unfortunately, he was not the DJ for the rest of the trip, but he did well. And I did my usual MSC thing and started my trip at Hola Tacos. Hola Tacos is MSC's quick service Mexican dining option. It is an upcharge, but I like coming here to avoid the crowds of the buffet. Alrighty, so I just boarded, and in my MSC tradition, I am here at Hola Tacos. I just have to avoid the buffet like the plague on the first day. It's too overwhelming for me. But the Hola Tacos here is beautiful. They expanded upon the view where the Meraviglia just had one little porthole that you can see the water. Here on the Seascape, you get to see this whole skyline. So that is pretty unique, and I like the setup. So I want to enjoy my first meal as the group is starting to board the ship, and we'll check in a bit. So since I have a little bit of B-roll, I figured I'll get into a little bit of story time. When I first walked up, it was a bit of a process to get the team at Hola Tacos to serve me. However, once, I think they had like a late opening, even though they were posted for a certain hour to be open. However, once I started, the wait staff became very attentive, and of course I got all my good staples of the barbacoa tacos, the beef tacos, etc. But it was a little bit of a rough start here. This is also the second time sailing on the MSC ship that I didn't have a cover for my key card. Alrighty, COC, and we are on board the MSC SEASCAPE, and I have been able to check out my room. I probably need to, looking forward to my luggage. I can tell it's been a quick turnaround, and I need to tighten some things up. It smells like it's been disinfected with some small little piece, so I'm like, gotta wipe that up. My next door neighbors got a lot going on. Hi, cousin. How are you? My next door neighbors got kids that like to crawl and jump on stuff, I can tell. So we're gonna try this. Maybe they're just excited for the day, but if they catch me at the wrong time tomorrow morning, I'm gonna have to either call next door or call front desk. Okay, so happy thoughts. We are heading to the meet and greet, where we get to see everybody. So far, we've just seen the folks who were here for the initial group meet and greet for the hotel, but now we are going to the one that everybody will be at. So, all right, down to deck 8. I think I'm going to actually just walk versus catching that elevator. It wasn't bad my first time down, but those are my next door neighbors. Our first meetup on the ship was located in the Uptown Lounge, and here is the wonderful view on deck 8 as we are getting towards that location. So here's the meet and greet, a beautiful area for it. Uh-oh, is there a bartender in there? I'm gonna have to get a drink. Thank you. Do I have to get a drink? There's no bartender? I gotta give me a drink. Yet? I'm still learning. Hi. Hi. After the meet and greet, we had a little bit of time before heading to the sail-away party, and I immediately found this jungle pool area, which became a favorite for me throughout the cruise. It was time for the meet and greet on the deck For me, the Seascapes Lido deck area is not my favorite setup. I do like the plunge pools or splash pools in the middle. However, it crams everyone like towards the back or towards the front of the deck. And I like the Meraviglia that had more of a vibe where the sail-away party was happening everywhere.
Mantecadito, mantecadito, manteca, manteca, bien sabrosito ya. Oye, mantecadito, manteca, manteca, mantecadito ya. Mantecadito, siempre bonito, bien sabrosito ya. Oye, ya. Oye, ya.
I slipped out of the sail-away to have a pre-dinner snack here in the buffet area, and I also went to dinner and caught a couple of the menu items on display before it started the nightlife activities. I did the prime rib today. It's interesting. Previously on the Meraviglia, I had like a nice side of steak, and this is a little thin, but I'll make it do what it do. I give MSC credit for its a variety of unique activities. Here is a game that people dance and try to get the audience on their side, and the side that has the most wins. I found that interesting.
Oye, mantecadito, manteca, manteca, bien sabrosito ya. Oye, mantecadito, manteca, manteca, mantecadito ya. Mantecadito.
Eventually, a bunch of Melanin Sears jumped in, and of course, that side won. After this event, it was off to a nightclub to round out the evening.
Mantecadito, siempre bonito, bien sabrosito ya. Oye, manteca, manteca, así ya.
The nightclub was heavy on the Latin music vibes, but we all had a good time. And that concludes Embarkation Day for the Melanin at Sea 2.0 group cruise. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in part 2.
I love it.